Hello guys, it's Clint Locklear from Predator Control Group and Wolfer Nation, and I did a video showing how to do the corn, and I'm just sitting in a greenhouse here. I've got a table. You don't have to have a greenhouse, but it's just a quicker thing to do because it's supposed to get 65 degrees, so it'll be about 95 in here today. So all this will be dry. But in good light, I want to show you what this looks like. This is the cracked corn. All this come from one bottle of camouflage corn, by the way. This is all one bottle. It's a full 6-foot table. This is the whole corn. And the reason I want to bring this up, just to let you know, certain corns, for some reason, take a little bit longer than others. This took an extra day. And if you can see all of the different colors that are in this. Because I've already seen online, and we're going to do some experiments where someone thinks you're just going to throw some food coloring on some corn and you're going to get this. This is camouflage corn because it's not just a single color, and that's what it looks like on the whole corn. Now the cracked corn is more of a greenish tint. There's something, I don't know. I mean, when they crack the corn, this is just kind of what it looks like. But you're talking about disappearing. It absolutely disappears. And got my helper here. But I just wanted to show what this actually is. In the camera, it looks a little brighter than it does in real life. But when we go out and we have our fun video that'll be coming up in the next week or so, where we're throwing camouflage corn out everywhere, you're going to see what happens when you use this in all type of different situations. So I just wanted to show this to everybody.